Hello, I'm your friend, Teacher Sam. Today, we're diving into an essential skill in the English language, knowing how to end a conversation, whether you're in a formal setting, a casual chat, or a professional meeting. Understanding the right way to conclude your interactions can make a world of difference. This knowledge not only helps you leave a good impression, but also ensures your interactions are clear and effective. So let's dive into the different ways we can end conversations in English. Firstly, we'll look at polite expressions to end a conversation. Ending a conversation need not be abrupt or awkward. The right choice of words can make it smooth and respectful. For example, if you need to leave, you could say, "I'm afraid I need to go now." This phrase conveys your need to leave while expressing regret at having to end the conversation. Another polite expression is "I should be heading off." This is a gentle way of indicating that you need to move on to your next engagement. Yet another courteous expression is "It was great talking with you, but I really must be going." This not only compliments the other person, but also expresses your intent to leave. These expressions are not just polite. They also show the other person that you value their time and company. Remember, these expressions are useful when you want to end a conversation politely and respectfully. Now, let's move on to more casual expressions. These are the phrases you'd use when you're in an informal setting or conversing with close friends. Take, for instance, "I gotta run." This phrase is a colloquial way of saying that you need to leave. It doesn't mean you're literally going to start running. It's just a casual way of saying you need to go. Another common expression is "catch you later." This is a friendly way to say goodbye, implying that you'll see the person again in the future. This phrase is often used among friends and peers. Or how about "I'm off"? This is a very informal way of saying that you're about to leave. It's straightforward and to the point, often used when you're in a rush. These casual expressions are perfect for informal situations or when talking to close friends. Remember, the key to using these phrases is to match the level of formality with the situation and the person you're speaking with. Finally, we'll look at professional expressions to end a conversation. These phrases are particularly useful in work environments or formal settings where maintaining a certain level of decorum is important. First up, we have "I need to get back to work." This is a straightforward expression that signals your need to refocus on your tasks. It's respectful yet clear about your priorities. Next, we have "let's touch base soon." This is a wonderful way to close a conversation while also expressing your intention to continue the discussion at a later time. It's a polite way to wrap things up without shutting the door on future communication. Another expression is "I have another meeting to attend." This indicates that you have other commitments and need to end the current conversation. It's a professional and polite way to exit the discussion. Remember, the key is to be respectful and clear. These expressions are suitable for professional settings or formal conversations. So, we've covered polite, casual, and professional ways to end a conversation. Let's do a quick review to make sure you've got all the necessary tools in your conversation toolbox. Firstly, we discussed polite expressions. Remember, these are crucial when you're in a formal setting or speaking with someone you respect. Phrases like "It was lovely speaking with you" or "I appreciate your time" show a high level of respect and courtesy. Then, we moved on to casual expressions. These are more relaxed and can be used with friends and family. "Catch you later," "talk to you soon," or even a simple "bye" can be perfectly appropriate in casual settings. Lastly, we dove into professional expressions. These are vital in a work environment or business setting. "Let's touch base soon," "I look forward to our next meeting," or "Thank you for your time" can leave a positive, lasting impression. Remember, these are just guidelines. The key is to choose the right expression that fits the situation and the person you're speaking with. You wouldn't want to use a casual expression in a formal setting, just as you wouldn't use a professional expression with a close friend. Knowing how to end a conversation properly can make a huge difference in the way people perceive you. So keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Until next time, goodbye and take care.